This is the Samsung XCover 6 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, let me show if, you'll open up the display category of settings and expand the available screen timeout values. You'll realize that the highest we can go, using the default means of the system, is 30 minutes. Thus, if you would like to set this value to never, you gotta use the help of the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and get it from the Play Store. So type in Caffeine at the search bar. That is exactly the app that we were looking for. So now we gotta download and install the Caffeine. And once you have successfully gotten the app on your phone, just launch it. Make sure to set the timeout value to be infinite over here, and do not close the Caffeine app. And as long as it is active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.